know, sometimes you're taking a picture of shiny objects like this. Look at this. Do you know what this is? This is the UEFA Cup, the European Cup, because I'm at Aston Villa. Look, claret and blue ribbons, 1982. You remember? Well, if you're photographing people with things like the European Cup, or maybe something a little bit smaller, then you've got a problem if your flash is on auto. You know what I mean? Hey there, photo enthusiasts. So, you're all excited about taking some snazzy photos of people holding shiny objects, or maybe it's certificates, you know, with fancy picture frames. Huh? Well, guess what? If you leave your flash on auto, you're in for a big surprise. The flash is going to be tricked by the shiny object. It's going to think it's way brighter than it actually is, and it's going to leave you with some seriously underexposed photos. Now, before you throw your camera out the window in frustration, here's a tip. Take control of your flash. Just switch the auto mode and set it up in manual. Yeah, you heard me right, manual. Adjust the flash output to the right level to properly expose the subject and their shiny possessions. Ditch the underexposed mishaps. Show off those shiny objects in all their glory. Hey, you're the boss, remember? It's your photo. Go forth and use your flash on the shiny objects with confidence, my fellow snarky photographers. Hey, cheers. You're welcome for that bit of advice. And do you think we'll be winning anything this year?